Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for managing team sprints. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to create a new project in Todoist. Jump into the left sidebar, click on the plus sign next to Projects, and name it after your sprint. Here's why this matters. Each project serves as a separate container for tasks, making it easier to manage and organize your sprints. Now that we've done that, take a moment to assign your team members to the new project. Just hit the three-dot icon next to your project's name, select Manage Members, then add your team. This helps us because each member will now be able to view, create, and complete tasks within this project. Next up, it's time to add tasks to your project. You can do this by clicking on the plus Add Task button. Don't forget to add a due date for each task. The reason we do this is to keep track of deadlines and ensure nobody misses an important task. Now, let me explain why labels and priorities are essential. Todoist allows you to assign labels or tags to your tasks. These could be the names of your team members, or they could be labels like urgent, review, or feedback. Combined with priority levels, this feature allows you to delegate tasks effectively and prioritize your team's efforts. Finally, you'll want to view your sprint progress. You can achieve this by using Todoist's Karma feature. It tracks your team's productivity over time, showing completed tasks and productivity trends. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Karma points are awarded for every completed task, and these points accumulate, giving you a clear picture of your team's productivity. And that's about it. This was your quick guide to using Todoist for managing team sprints. By employing these steps, you can maximize your team's productivity and ensure everything is on track. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those tasks in check.